What's up, Jayson Gaddis here, founder of the Relationship School. Thanks for being here, YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about relationship advice, mostly for smart people who don't want to blame other people for their relationship problems. And I cut right through the BS and challenge you to get empowered. What does that mean? It means in a long-term relationship, and even your friendships or work relationships, you should be able to be yourself, right? And get the connection you want. But a lot of us, because we were rejected in our childhood, kind of contort ourselves into who we think others want us to be. This leads to resentment, and this leads to shitty relationships. So if you want to be yourself in the context of an awesome long-term relationship, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we've got lots of videos on owning your needs, setting boundaries, dealing with conflict and how to work out our differences with other people, attachment styles, and why that matters, and why learning your attachment style is essential for a good long-term relationship. So we talk a lot about partnership here, and now I'm heterosexual, I'm a male, I'm white, I'm married to a wife, and I have 2 kids. So I'm kind of a traditional guy in that way, but I often speak from my own experience and the people I work with. Yes, this advice applies to gay folks or people of color, or wherever you come from. But I often just talk about myself, okay? So I reveal my own foibles, issues, and all my shit so that you can learn how to get more empowered in your relationship life. Now, there's lots and lots of videos here. If you haven't subscribed to our podcast, you can do that on Google Play or Apple Podcasts right on your phone. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel just so you get a notification every time I release a new video. All right, cool. And of course, if you like what's happening here, feel free to share these videos with your friends or people in your life. And also, if you're on Facebook, you can come join our free Facebook group. We have thousands and thousands of people in our group being honest about this rigorous path called love and long-term relationship. So come hang out with us there, and I hope you get served big time here. And we'll talk soon.